You ready? Oh, it's beautiful. Oh yeah, pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. All right, if turn around, and you just gotta catch it. I see it. You gotta keep your head up. And you can let your head down. And I'll show you love. In another life, I'm on.
Hey everyone out there, this is EJ's Adventures. We're welcoming you to the Lights Music Festival. My name is Ignacio and this is
Marcella. We're from LA.
We just want to say we're having a great time and come on out. It'll be something that's life-changing and memorable. So just make your way out here if you can.
When caught up in a game.
Show you guys, and then obviously give you. So pink, does anybody like pink? Pink's kind of a cool color. Oh, there we go. Perfect divided line. Okay, so if you're on this side, you're on that side. Don't. Okay, there we go. There, okay, perfect. Now we're gonna find out which side wants it the most, and then we'll play from there. So hold on. And yellow. We got yellow. Who wants yellow? No over here on this side. All the way in the back. I'll try my hardest. It almost got there. It almost got there. Okay, that was good. I like that. Okay, I'm coming at you. There we go. Oh. Okay. The mink chaparral. Mink is perfectly plush. Perfectly plush. It's very soft. Hold on, let me touch it. Oh, it's very soft. All right, okay. Oh, it shot right over your head. Oh, but that's okay. He's with you. Oh, I feel like is it appropriate if you guys actually kiss? I feel like you should at this point. Yes! I forgot it. I'm totally trying to justify. I totally, in that moment, forgot it was her birthday. So, but I hope I redeemed myself. I tried my hardest. I tried my hardest tonight, so. All right, let's see. Anything else we need to know of? I don't think so. Like, food trucks still have plenty of food. So you two are competing on Imperial Southern California Lights Fest Idol. Do you know what song you're gonna sing? You don't know? Okay, you've got 10 seconds to figure that one out. Are you ready? The pressure's on, so they're gonna need some encouragement. Here we go, come on.
Hey, it's a new life for me. And now worn out jeans, I can't help thinking this is how it ought to be. I say I'm fine, I know you're better than that. Hey, what you doing with a girl like that? 'Cause she wears short skirts, I wear sneakers.
Give her a hand, give her a hand. Oh, you guys are both amazing. We're here with our first contestant. If this is your singer, let me hear it. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. All right, if they go hallelujah, let that bass move, yeah, say yeah. It's gonna be alive, I don't know. Good. Honey, I'm good. I got another brownie shit night. I got what you would do to another hour.
You come from life. You come from renegade, take up space, make your own way, kind of life. You come from angel.
let your head down. Hey, hey. You gotta keep your head up. Whoa, you can let your head down. Hey, down on sorry. No, it's hard to remember sometimes. Situation with a sweet little angelic voice, reminding you that no matter what you're going through, keep your head up, okay? Cause you gotta keep your head up. And you can let your head down. You gotta keep your head up. But I'm not going down that easily, so don't give up on me. And I will hold on to you. No matter what this world will throw, it won't shake me loose. And I'll reach my hands out in the dark and wait for yours too, until I go for you. I'll wait for you, 'cause I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up, no, not yet. Even when I'm down to my last breath, even when they say there's nothing left, so don't give up on it. I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up, no, not me. Even when nobody else believes that I'm not going down that easily, so don't give up on me. Please teach me, I'm letting you go, learning how to live in another life. I'm gonna be alright. Now I see you everywhere on the sidewalks of my dreams, like a distant melody. I hear you calling to come with me, and I love you, but I leave you in the past, baby, because I need to not go insane. And though I love you the same, it don't mean I'm good. Goodbye, bye, bye. But it ain't all that bad when I cry, cry, cry. Please teach me how letting you go, learning how to be alone. I'm broken, forgive time. Yeah, I'm gonna be alright. Please teach me it's admitting that I'm not gonna see you again till one day in another life. But I'm gonna be alright. Say I'm gonna be alright. Whoa, whoa, say I'm gonna be alright. Whoa, whoa, say I'm gonna be alright. Whoa, say I'm gonna be alright. Hey, say I'm gonna be alright.